Our liver is a pretty important organ. It helps process the food we eat, filters toxins from our blood, and stores essential nutrients. But sometimes, when things go wrong, fat starts building up around the liver. That's when we can get fatty liver disease, or hepatic steatosis. And did you know that around 20 to 30% of the global population suffers from fatty liver disease? But don't worry, because in today's episode, we'll tell you about some of the best vitamins to clean your fatty liver. But first, let's see what it means to have a fatty liver. There are mainly two types of fatty liver disease. The first one is alcoholic fatty liver disease. It can happen due to excessive alcohol consumption. Basically, our liver takes alcohol for a type of toxin. It starts breaking it down and converting it to smaller compounds, so that it's easier for the body to eliminate it with urine. But when we drink too much alcohol, our liver has to work too hard and gets overwhelmed, resulting in inflammation. Over time, the liver's ability to process fats is reduced, leading to alcoholic fatty liver disease. Another type of fatty liver is non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. This condition is more commonly linked with obesity, insulin resistance, and metabolic syndrome, all of which are related to poor lifestyle habits. Now let's take a look at some of the healthiest vitamins and minerals that can help you prevent fatty liver disease. Number 1. Vitamin E. Vitamin E helps protect the liver from cellular damage and inflammation. Vitamin E has antioxidant properties. It helps our body fight against harmful molecules called free radicals that can damage liver cells. Plus, it has anti-inflammatory effects, meaning it helps reduce inflammation in the liver, which could be causing you to have a fatty liver. Not just that, but studies show that vitamin E supplementation can also enhance the activity of other antioxidant enzymes in the liver. These compounds, too, can prevent inflammation in the liver, leading to an overall better liver function. You can get this powerful vitamin from foods like nuts, seeds, good quality vegetable oils, spinach, and broccoli. However, if you already have fatty liver disease or want to take vitamin E supplements, it's best to consult with a healthcare professional for the correct dosage and recommendations according to your body's needs. Before we move on, please take a moment to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. If you find our videos helpful, please support us by becoming a patron. Number 2. Vitamin C. Vitamin C isn't just good for your immune system, but can also help you to have a healthy liver. Just like vitamin E, vitamin C acts as a powerful antioxidant that can shield your liver cells from damage caused by nasty free radicals. Vitamin C is also essential for collagen synthesis, which is crucial for liver health. Collagen provides structure and support to liver tissue, which helps the liver regenerate and recover from damage. Liver fibrosis is the excessive buildup of scar tissue in the liver. Having enough collagen can help ensure that the liver's repair process is balanced and controlled, preventing excessive fibrosis that could later lead to liver dysfunction. But that's not all. Studies show that vitamin C also helps enhance the liver's ability to detoxify our blood and improve its ability to get rid of fat fast. So you can see how great can vitamin C be for your liver's overall health. You can get your daily dose of vitamin C from citrus fruits like oranges, lemons, strawberries, kiwis, bell peppers, and dark leafy greens. Number 3. B vitamins. B vitamins are like a must-have for your liver and your overall health. For example, if you have enough vitamin B1 in your body, it helps the liver process fats and sugars properly, so they don't build up and cause trouble in your liver. Vitamin B2 helps the liver handle fats and toxins like a pro, keeping the liver in good shape and reducing the risk of fat buildup. Vitamins B3, B5, and B6 help the liver process fats and convert them into energy. Next, vitamin B9 is like the liver's personal bodyguard. It acts as an antioxidant, protecting the liver from free radical damage and supporting its overall health. And lastly, vitamin B12 or cobalamin is the key player in liver detoxification. It helps your liver break down or detoxify harmful substances and get rid of them. You cannot get all of the B vitamins from a single food source, but if you have a balanced combination of leafy greens, healthy proteins, fish, lean meat, nuts, eggs, and whole grains in your daily diet, you can easily have a healthy dose of B vitamins. You can also consider taking vitamin B complex supplements, but only with the help of your health expert. Number 4. Vitamin D. First off, vitamin D is an inflammation fighter. Its anti-inflammatory properties help calm down the inflammation caused by excess fat deposits in your liver. Vitamin D can also help your liver with detoxification, getting rid of harmful stuff, and making sure the liver works smoothly. Not just that, but vitamin D also helps protect your liver cells from those sneaky free radicals that cause oxidative stress. And lastly, vitamin D helps prevent the buildup of excessive fat in your liver cells. It does that by helping the liver to break down fats and convert them into energy. You can have this wonderful vitamin from many healthy foods, such as fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and tuna, as well as fish liver oils. You can also take vitamin D from sunshine, fortified cereals, and fortified dairy products. Number 5. Choline. Well, it's not a vitamin, but choline is classified by many experts as a water-soluble vitamin-like mineral. It is often grouped with B-complex vitamins due to its similar functions and properties. Let's see how. One of the most interesting aspects of choline is its role in promoting liver health, particularly by going against the development of fatty liver disease. Choline is involved in the metabolism of lipids in the liver. It acts as a lipotropic agent, meaning it helps transport and metabolize fats in the liver, preventing their accumulation around the liver. Choline also helps transport fat and cholesterol from the liver to other parts of the body for utilization or excretion. This process is crucial for preventing fat in your liver. Another cool thing about choline is that it helps the liver in the detoxification process. Choline is involved in the synthesis of other compounds necessary for liver detoxification. Studies show that choline helps protect the liver from getting damaged by many factors, like alcohol consumption, and sometimes even certain medications. To get enough of this essential mineral, consider having eggs, fatty fish like cod, tuna, salmon, soybeans, tofu, and nuts in your daily diet. Number 6. Selenium. Just like choline, selenium also plays a major role in promoting liver cell regeneration, helping the liver heal and repair itself when needed. Selenium can also help keep your immune system strong, which can make sure that your liver stays safe from infections and germ attacks. Selenium also supports important enzymes in the liver that help break down and eliminate toxins, making sure our liver can do its job effectively. And lastly, it supports the liver in processing fats, ensuring they don't accumulate and cause fatty liver disease. You can get selenium from many healthy foods like nuts, especially Brazil nuts, seeds, fish, poultry, and whole grains. Thank you for watching and subscribing to the channel. See you in the next video.